Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain what is Redis. Before going to concept, would like to ask you, please support me guys. If you are understand my content, please like and share, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. Please support me guys. If you yeah. And one more thing, if you are unable to understand my explanation, also please kindly let me know guys. Based on that, I will improve my explanation also. I will change that explanation also. That's it, guys. That's my small request to you guys. Please support me. Yeah. Coming to content, today I'm going to explain about what is Redis. Redis is nothing but it's a catching technology which is used to get the data from the from its cache, not from the database. Instead of putting the every time request to the API, I mean when you want the data, so what will you do? Every time you will make a one request through an API. Okay, what that API will do? That API will fetch the data from the database itself. It will fetch the data from the database. But instead of every time fetching the data from database, so here we are providing the one more database. It's like that is a Redis. It's like a database. Here it store the data in the RAM, random access memory. Like that, it will store the data. So here, this is a client. Let's take an example. Sorry, and one more thing. This is client. Sorry, and server. One more is database. This is database. Yeah. Here, client is nothing but he will make the request to the server. So when the client make this request, then what server will do? It will when the client make a post request, restrict post request or get anything. What the server will do? Server connect to your database and it will fetch the data from the database. Then it will display to the client. This is the process, actual process. Here, every time fetching the data from the database, every time it have to connect to the database and fetch the data from that database. It will take a little bit more time. So instead of what we will do, this Redis will reduce that time. Okay, how that I will tell you. This is the Redis. When the client make the request, when the client make the request, the server will do. It will connect to the database and fetch the data from the database. Okay. Then after that, when they fetch the data, it the server what it will do? It will store the data in the Redis server. It will store the data in the Redis server. If that Redis not that data not contain that data, then it will store the in that the Redis server. What after that, instead of the server, instead of fetching the data from the database, it will fetch the data if that this Redis actually store the data in the form of key value pairs. Okay, key value pairs. If that key is available in this Redis, then it will fetch from the Redis server. If not, if that key not in the Redis server, then what it will do? It will connect to the actual database and fetch that data from the database. And this server, what it will do? It will create a one key to identify unique key to identify the data, fetch data from the database, and it will store the. It will assign that data to that particular key, unique key. After that, it will send the data to client. This is the actual concept of the Redis. Okay, okay, guys. This is the main thing of the Redis. What is the use of Redis? This is the main thing. Okay, if you are understand this Redis concept, please do like, share, comment. To this video. If you want more videos, then please let me know, guys, in the comment section, and also subscribe my channel. Yeah, thank you, guys.